Hey guys, I'm Arjun Kapoor and I'm going to be your grooming expert.
Aha, nice, sexy.
I look like a tree. No, the gun was doing this.
Welcome back, ladies.
Hello, welcome back. Very sorry we had some technical glitches, but now we're back here with Arjun. Arjun, we were talking about the product, obviously.
Sorry दोस्तों, रुकावट के लिए
खेद है
और मेरे कपड़ों में
छेद है.
वाह वाह.
Well done.
I'm unemployed now fishing. I'm never writing lyrics. क्या आप समझ पाए? तुमको हमारा भाषा समझ में को आता है? Oh, very good.
English, Hindi आता है?
So we were talking about our product. That
Yes.
Before we get back into, we should apologize due to technical difficulties. We kind of lost y'all in between. We were talking about something very interesting and very relevant.
Yes.
Which was the body grooming trimmer that has come.
Like most people don't want to talk about it, and
Correct.
now finally we're getting a medium where we can actually speak about it. It's
Technology is not letting us talk.
yeah, exactly. What
Oh,
is
very
this?
good joke. Let us laugh. We are so subtle. It is
Yeah,
loud.
it's not. No, so Arjun, I wanted to actually talk about. A lot of people say that one of the things that they actually try doing is putting the creams, like hair removal creams,
Yes.
right? Which for most people don't really turn out as well as they would have liked.
Not at all.
You were telling us a story.
And that story should not be repeated to
No,
anyone.
no, please. We won't take any names, but Arjun has a story about his friend and hair removal
Yeah,
cream.
I had a friend. I do still have that friend. He survived this incident, surprisingly.
Yeah.
So my friend obviously was in Goa. Wanted to enjoy the tan, the sun, the beach, the attention.
Of course.
Body shoddy भी है बंदे
हाँ.
की. तो he said यार ये बाल एक झटके में ही निकाल देते हैं
हाँ.
कि why go into this and that कि we'll just put the cream and in 5 minutes I'll be sapart.
हाँ,
So he's gone in his element and he's put it and he's laid down and he said, my hair is going to go. So he's gone into dreaming about what his body will look
like
He wakes
after-
up after 5 minutes.
Yeah.
But actually he's woken up after half an hour. And
Ouch!
his skin along with the sun and the
Ouch!
cream had kind of crinkled and become red. So he had to be taken to the hospital to make sure that they put antiseptic in a very systematic
Wow.
way.
Wait, did the hair fall off and the skin was?
I think more than the hair. was
Yeah,
falling
I think
off
a
my-
part of his skin fell off after that.
God.
And I can assure you he didn't go out in the sun.
Yeah, I think he left Goa, went back home. He's like, "Chalo, ho gaya, bas."
So that is a very crude reminder to us that
Right.
We
that's
should
not
invest in those
always.
products.
We should, because they're always there. It ends up burning your skin. You don't want to use anything that ends up affecting your skin that
I
badly.
think women just tend
How
to
do
deal
women take
with-
it? Yeah.
Yeah, tend to deal with stuff like this better. We as men are not that sound when it comes to dealing with stuff like this. That's why this product comes in handy, genuinely. The fact that we have a one-stop shop solution comes in handy for me. Somebody like me, I'm not good with all this. I can barely put like sunblock and go out in the sun, and get all the spots right.
Huh.
Like, and women are just like taking hours,
yeah,
hours
like-
and hours, and we are like,
Women don't
hey, come on.
Women don't fall asleep after they do this stuff too.
Yeah.
I kind of pay attention.
Yeah, women fall asleep at the wrong time.
Okay, no. So that was definitely one. Another interesting story that I want to talk about is, again, now this is not a topic people like to talk about openly, but there's also
preferences.
No preferences, yes, but sensitive areas.
Preference. Oh,
Sensitive areas.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
कई बार ऐसे some जगह होते हैं where it becomes, people are scared. I'm genuinely scared.
While I'm
Talking
doing
about
this,
it or doing
while I'm doing this, I'm going off track, but I feel like I'm a reporter in the field. Hello, क्या आपको मेरी hello? I feel like that right now while doing this.
Hello, हम यहाँ
जी हाँ, हम यहाँ धोबी तालाब से बोल. I feel like that right now in between.
क्या अर्जुन करते हैं वैक्सिंग या करते हैं रेजर यूज?
मैं करता हूँ trim.
Oh, no. So we were talking about sensitive areas, right? Again, the reason this product helps is because the way it's designed, it's also designed to make sure that you get your work done with minimal to no pain.
Yeah, like we were discussing the nipple effect.
Oh yeah, the nipple
Why'd
effect.
you point at me?
Yeah,
So
because
what-
I didn't
my
say it's
story?
your nipple. I mean, I didn't say it's your nipple.
Nipple-
I just
No,
meant it's
wasn't-
something you
it was
brought
a
up.
friend's nipples. he was afraid to cut his.
That's what I'm
nipples
saying.
off.
You have a very open equation with your friends. You discuss
Yeah.
the nipples.
Not everyone has that.
Okay, one of the things that we discussed today is the fact that it's uncomfortable to talk about.
I agree.
grooming.
I discuss it all the time.
So we're being open. They weren't my nipples.
But you know, I can't use the crassness with which we do. talk.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
The
Actually,
sensitive
let-
areas
yeah.
we can call it.
We'll sugarcoat it.
You know,
when
like
we speak.
below the neck, just keep
From the land down under.
From the land down under, from Australia of
South
your
of the
body.
border.
when you don't want to welcome anybody into the jungle.
Yeah. Because they need to see the route.
No, but we have a few people here with us. We have Sujay with us. Sujay, hi.
Hi,
Sujay?
Arjun. Hi, everybody. Hi.
I like how he said only hi Arjun. Hey, हम लोग भी hi बोले यार, please hi.
Hi.
Varun.
Varun.
Great.
We won't talk about your preferences.
Yeah.
You do it.
Are you worried about your nipples?
Isn't every man worried about their nipples?
Yes.
Yeah. Sujay,
Yeah.
why don't you throw us one of your stories or anything that you'd like to ask Arjun?
There's actually, no, I was actually going through the tweets, a couple of during the technical glitches, and I saw everybody to be so happy about this new product. I think it's going to really
Yeah.
kick well in the market.
Right.
I actually don't have any particular story on my mind as of now. So I'll
Are you,
just.
are you saying that you are India's most well-groomed? man?
Well-groomed
You don't
man.
have a single
No.
anecdote about
I'm
grooming.
Everybody does.
No stories you don't want to share right now.
No, I don't have any story which I could share with regard to this as of now. If I get something.
But
on
have you ever had? Okay, let me ask you a question, Sujoy.
Okay.
Have you ever had a friend or a girlfriend or a colleague or anybody, inverted commas friend, call whatever? I'm just saying, who's ever kind of tried to signal to you that you should be more interested in grooming yourself, or you've been a self understood person that okay, I need to do these. Have you? Like a lot of men don't realize that they need to take care of their grooming
Yes.
till they're pointed out.
Pointed out, correct.
Have you been one of those who's been pointed out, or you've learnt on your own?
I've learned on my own, Arjun.
Yay!
Yeah, I know.
What a short and sweet answer.
Yeah, it's just,
I was kind of hoping for a journey there.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
That was pretty
Come on,
simple.
Sujay, give us something.
Sujoy,
Okay.
Sharma mat.
No, I'm not. Don't worry. So, okay. So, I had one of my friends, like Arjun said, he.
Of course, it's your friend.
Yeah, it's my friend.
Friend.
Yeah.
All right. So.
Sujit was his name.
Yeah.
Sure, definitely. So he himself, he had the same situation where what Arjun was saying about the hair removal cream. So actually, he didn't sleep off, like he didn't sleep for like half an hour or anything, but actually it became very messy apparently. And he had a lot of oh wait, let me explain before things go very awkward.
No, you explain. We have ample time.
Yeah.
So
So
it got messy in the sense that the cream,
He
the
had
cream
patchy
didn't
hair.
pull off the hair completely or whatever, etc.
Yeah.
He probably had patchy hair. Like he walked out, looked like a
It didn't
designer.
pan out for the male skin as it does normally for a female
Yeah,
skin. You're
exactly.
saying.
So sadly, he had a lot of hair, even on the neck and things like that. So
Correct.
yeah. So and when he actually applied that and he came to college, it actually looked even more awkward. So
Yeah, I mean, and this is in no way to deride the fact that there are these products available. I think they suit the female skin better.
Better, yeah.
Because there's very little skin to, there's very little hair to take care of in comparison. But
You
men,
know how to use it properly. I think.
yeah, there's a certain way of removing it as well. So yeah,
No, but that's the same thing that happened to me. Like luckily I don't face any of these problems because I don't get too much hair, but I have a little bit of hair here, right? So one day I decided to experiment. I'm like, hey, let me just try this cream out. Even this much hair of mine didn't get off, didn't come out.
what it might be because I mean, our
I want to ask you, and I want to ask you because you've been reading the tweets and you've been observing the nonsense we are also talking. Is this the kind of product you would recommend to your friends without them even asking? Just
Definitely.
purely out of the fact, out of concern, and just your co-workers or anybody? I mean, is this something that breaks the taboo for you much more easily than in the past, where you don't need to explain in detail? It's just telling somebody that this is available in the market, which is self-explanatory in itself. Would you do that?
Definitely, Arjun, because I mean, look, just like 2 minutes ago, I told you that example of my friend, facing a lot of difficulty, right? I mean, I wouldn't definitely recommend someone to use the cream because I know something bad can happen like that. And
Clearly.
yeah. So, a product like this, which was never in the market before, I mean, I would totally and certainly recommend this to everybody who is in need of it, right? So, I mean, like kudos to Philips.
So
for bringing-
fantastic. So
Yeah.
Exactly. So fantastic that Philips has jumped one step ahead and brought it about, and actually it's user and
I mean,
consumer.
it's in need of everybody.
friendly.
Like the statistics which were popping off, just a few minutes ago. I mean, it shows how
As
much.
we say, Hindustan ke mard ab dariye mat ab aa gaya hai Philips ka.
Yeah, there we go.
So groom barabar groom.
That's a really good one.
I think I'm being.
No, okay, so we have Vani also with us. Vani.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, exactly, right? Because right now we've been talking about the male perspective a lot, like guys like doing this, guys, but half the time.
Let her.
No, I just said hi. Sorry.
Hi.
No, of course. She was trying to get your attention.
Oh, she was. She's trying to get your attention,
Obviously.
Arjun.
Yes.
Where? You still stop.
अर्जुन हाय अर्जुन
क्या आप हमारी बात से सहमत है वानी जी?
जी बिल्कुल मैं
आप
आपकी
इस
बात
विषय
से
पर चर्चा करना चाहेंगे?
जी बिल्कुल क्योंकि मैं इस बात से काफी हताश और परेशान हूँ सो आई हैड
हमारे संवाददाता मौजूद है इस वक्त.
she said मैं इस बात से काफी हताश हूँ. Like that's good.
So I
Hardcore
had
Hindi.
a friend, I mean friend's friend. So I used to meet him.
Wow,
So
this
I
is
was-
a friend. Yeah. This one is a friend's friend.
You're not
So
supposed to
basically
be
my
that
friend's
much.
Friend. Basically bridge.
Again,
Yeah.
it's not
So
just
he used
So
to
what your
wear.
friend's friend do?
I have no idea.
He used to wear
I was
clothes.
not interested in him. So I was saying.
अरे जो पर्सनल लाइफ पे चर्चा हो रही है.
So
No, he used to-
मैडम ब्लश करते करते बात कीजिए ना और अच्छी लगेगी आप.
नहीं मैं आपकी तरफ देख ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. So I was saying.
यहाँ देखो यहाँ.
शर्म आ रही है.
before, after. Come on.
And this is the in between left.
Yeah. This is like if you stop treatment, then this happens.
Before, this is after, this is in between.
Hi.
This is what
ये बचा कुछ, this is the shedding.
Shedding.
This is the shedding in between.
Okay, sorry, we keep cutting you. Say.
Sorry.
So
Other
this
thing
guy
was-
used to wear these round collared t-shirts and whenever you wear shirts it's all buttoned. So one day I saw him with a V collar cup t-shirt and I've always seen him यहाँ से he's not hairy. He's looking all chikna and normal, fine, good. But when he was wearing a V collar cut t-shirt, वो 4 बाल यहाँ से twing हो रहे थे.
Like this.
Yes.
The waving.
What you are doing with your chest and fingers, don't do that. So,
And especially if it's a bit windy.
Yeah, so it's just like hi on the side. No, but we all talk about this. We come across a lot of men.
Did you give him a solution?
no, I was surprised. I was zapped. I was like, dude, कल तक तो नहीं था. एक दिन में 4 चीजें क्या है? I mean,
कुदरत की देन.
Did you know it?
और 4 आया.
4 साल से आया है. I mean, all right, कुदरत बहुत ही भद्दे मजाक करती है हमारे साथ. लेकिन इतनी डरावनी.
Acha, where are you originally from? Because your accent is very fascinating. You speak
I am
Shuddh Hindi,
from. Yes,
but you're
I
from
am-
the south somewhere also slightly.
No. I am from
Then-
Kanpur and nowadays in Delhi.
You're in Delhi
I
now.
like Hindi. हमारी मातृभाषा है. नहीं.
No, very good.
तुम
Very
actually
good.
हमारे अगल बगल में if you're in Delhi.
अच्छा.
I'm in Delhi.
But
में.
no, do you prefer men like this?
Or Bill, say hi.
What time do you have to catch your flight?
Which one?
Before and after.
Which one? See this.
This is before.
See, say hi.
And
Can you
I am
zoom into
covering
this?
that. I am covering that. Hey,
But-
what time do you have to catch your flight?
What time do I have to catch my flight? Are you having a conversation about me flying
What is
with
happening?
me on this hangout?
So then don't.
I was to talk about that. What time the flight is.
My flight है थोड़ी देर में flight.
No, but okay, Vani, how about we ask you this, right? A lot of men think it's really manly to have a lot of hair. Like it's if I have a lot of hair, I'm a man. If I shave, I'm this chikna dude. Oh, it's not manly.
हाँ, मर्द की निशानी.
मर्द की निशानी बाल है. Why don't we hear from women? What do you think? What do you prefer more, Vani?
I'm a man. I'm masculine.
Man, you're मैं यहाँ से भी man हूँ, मैं यहाँ पीछे भी man हूँ.
We are like masculine people. Yeah.
See,
No, so what do you like more? What do you prefer?
Arjun Kapoor.
Clearly you like Arjun, so I know. Her answer is you like hairy men or this? I like Arjun Kapoor.
So you like hair in the right place.
Yeah.
Yes. So I think we live in a country where hair on men's chest is thought to donate his strength. So Arjun, I have a question. So when you trim, do you also feel that you're losing your strength with your length? I mean,
No, yeah. Strength with my leg.
Wow, that's another hangout.
That needs a private conversation. But no, in all honesty, I completely get that thought process that a lot of men have. You tend to feel a little naked in the sense of chikna. It's a new feeling, so you're slightly averse to it. But trust me, out of my experience, I can tell you, you feel a kilo or two lighter after you've done removing your hair from your body. And I'm not. See, chest is one area. What we tend to forget is body grooming.
Correct.
This product goes beyond just this part,
Yeah.
which is your strength of showing.
Yeah.
मैं मर्द हूँ. Okay, chalo. You're averse to this area for whatever reason. There's a lot of other areas that need consideration for the opposite sex, even just for general hygiene. And like we spoke about the underarms being the sensitive male dominated areas also. I think all those need to be kept in mind more than saying ki, yaar, I'm a man because I have a bit of hair. And this product actually, honestly, it's not something which people realize is it comes with an inbuilt comb that you can attach to it, which does not, it doesn't make you like go sapat like a clean shave.
Right.
It still leaves an element.
There's a little bit. There's some, the manliness is still there.
So for anybody who kind of feels that you still have a bit of it, or it's not completely fully removed, so it serves best of both parties in that sense. I guess.
You don't need an afro all over your body, right? Little bit.
Maintenance is required.
But I genuinely do feel, and this is something that I've realized, is that till you don't remove it, you don't realize
how it is.
Yeah.
Exactly.
There's a lot of preconceived notions that boys have. I would say, even my generation, there's a lot of preconceived notions. No, yaar, it's painful, it's difficult, it's complicated. Is it worth it? Nothing changes. Till you don't do it, you don't realize how much changes.
Yeah.
Like, so my mom gave me this. I can never take it off.
Okay, I thought you were praying to God.
Yeah, I'm like, what happens suddenly?
The amount of times that this would get caught in the,
Yeah.
and then just
He's led a very tough life.
and just at once. So a little maintenance.
He shaved when he was 11.
Yeah.
That's saying a
But
lot.
did you like shave?
Fully.
I had to start like.
But that's what we all did, right? Earlier we all used razors.
Yeah, and
We all
I
razors.
once shaved from here by mistake, thinking यहाँ से भी बाल में blades.
What movie were you doing that for?
No, it was not.
okay.
I've not shaved since I've become an actor. Don't you?
Oh
know?
yeah, actually yeah, you've always had a stubble. That's correct. See, now that's manly, right? You can. Hey.
Very आवाज़ manly.
Manly. No, sorry, you were saying you shaved from under your eye.
Yeah, that was when I was learning how to shave. So I
yeah.
thought you start from here and you end till here.
Yeah.
So I just took one.
First time I shaved, it took me really. I remember taking the razor and you know the thing is, right, when you have okay, fine, I don't get hair, whatever, I get 4 strands of hair and it's in that line of the chest, right, where there's little depression.
My eyebrows are hairier than this man's body.
That's true.
I
That's
just
true.
want
If we took out all the hair from his eyebrows, they would have more hair.
Mustaches on the face.
No, so another thing I want to talk about, Arjun, obviously now, because being an actor and doing the variety of roles that you do, you obviously have to keep changing your look, right?
Mansi, have you gone to sleep, Mansi? We found Mansi.
Oh, Mansi's there? Oh, sorry, Mansi's also there.
Mansi, pay
Hi,
attention to this
Mansi.
question. It's a very
We're going to come to you in just a second.
Just a second. You're awake, na? Very good. Mind blowing. Fantastic. So
Her eyes are bright, open, huh? Like, no, so I was asking you, I said as an actor, because of the variety of roles that you do, I'm sure that a lot of roles will want you to have, not be completely clean shaven, because that's considered urban. So, like, can you tell us how you go about it?
Ishak Zada.
Right.
I wear a lot of ganjis and I'm still supposed to have a bit of the scruff because of the scruffiness of the character. So that time I kept it because the character demanded it. The moment I had to do 2 states, it's a more city-centric film, and urban men are generally a little more welcome in that sense. So automatically I just removed all my hair for that role. But it's role specific, and even like for example when I had it for Ishak Zadeh, it was not unruly and badly.
Like it was still decently.
I mean, I took care of it as best as I could. So there's even aesthetically when you're watching it on screen on a
it has to look nice. Because that's a reaction most people tend to have, right? When you see like hair all over the place, you're just like.
So you have to make sure that aesthetically you pay attention, even in your daily life, like not just when you do films.
Correct.
Even as an actor, if I go to play a football match, for example, I might play it in a ganji. If I'm at the beach and you meet fans, you cannot come across unappealing to them visually.
Absolutely.
Part of my profession.
So you have to be well
looking. And I think for any of us, if we step up,
and it gives you a sense of It gives you a sense of confidence. What I realize is that when I did all my grooming, it gives you a certain amount of confidence. You walk. Yeah, I mean, might not change a lot of things, but it gives you that confidence to sort of.
It's comfort. It just
which gives you confidence. For me, comfort
absolutely. Yeah.
Thing getting caught here and just like when it's hot outside. and it feels.
That in India is a factor. The fact
It
that
just
you
feels like you're.
Yeah, we
wearing another shirt.
forget that we live in a very hot place where most men underestimate that hair leads to bad stench. Like they don't realize that.
Sweating.
The hairier you are,
Yeah.
and most of these guys normally have that massive.
I never thought I'll have these conversations with two men while the world watches.
It's an important.
Let us
It's
discuss.
it needs to be spoken about.
आज हम चर्चा करेंगे हमारे बॉडी और ओडर एक्सपर्ट से. आइए चर्चा.
Hi, my name is Bodhi, और ये है Odor.
Hello.
Odor.
Body.
Okay, we have with us Mansi also. Hi, Mansi. Sorry to keep you waiting. Hi.
तन की दुर्गंध से आगे बढ़ते हैं. मानसी आप बताइए कुछ.
How are you, Mansi?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Have you got fed up?
It was for Arjun.
I was also talking to you only. I know you're not talking to them. It's okay. और बाकी सब घर पे कैसे? First class?
Absolutely.
Have you got fed up of our inane, mundane banter in between all the information that we're providing you, or you're enjoying yourself?
It's quite enjoyable. Not at all bored. Rather, I'll
So
tell you a
that's good.
story. I generally go for a lot of meetings. So there was this
Okay.
client. I was with a ad agency before. So there was this client, and first time I went, and by look wise, he was like really good looking. And when we actually shook hands, I said like something is different. When I saw he was so hairy, I was like, ew. That was the one.
He had hair on his palms.
How did you?
Too hairy guy.
And what part were you shaking?
Yeah. Hi.
No.
Hi, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
Just pull my hair over.
No, no,
I hope you didn't shake hands.
Yeah.
Oh, no. What a good looking. What a
Why
good.
is your hand a werewolf? Like,
Actually, I thought I'm like some bear or something I'm shaking hand with. But then, actually, I'm like, he's a good friend
No, but
now.
instant-
But then, but
he's
that
a good
was
friend
when-
because he shaved. He shaved. He
Nah,
got rid of it, right?
absolutely.
Yes.
So take
Yeah.
this product. Go tell him. Go with him to the store closest to you, and go pick up this product and tell him to use it. So at least when he meets a beautiful woman like you again, he does not embarrass himself or lose out on the possibility.
Absolutely. What I really loved was her reaction. The reaction that she had, her face of pride. Can you do that again?
क्या ये आदमी अच्छा लगा?
That reaction you had when you said, I shook his hand and he was good looking, and then I saw his hair, and then that face you made.
I was like,
Yeah,
ew.
can you do that again? Yeah.
I hope everyone saw that face, and that's the important.
All you guys who think it's not important to groom, that's the reaction you're going to get if you don't start right away.
Don't see it mentally. Everyone's thinking that.
Absolutely.
Anything you want to ask?
Silence.
Mansi, anything you want to ask Arjun?
I want to ask you, like, you have done so many films, and I think so grooming is one thing for an actor. It's so important that everybody's looking up to them, right? So
Correct.
how difficult it is to match up to everybody's expectations.
Yeah, when you do that, when you take care of yourself, it's more for yourself rather than thinking about everybody else all the time. It's if you don't feel good and you don't look your best and you don't make the effort, then somewhere that energy comes across in the way you conduct yourself because you're wary and you're aware. I do it like he said for comfort. That's very important. Grooming does give you comfort. Hygiene does make you feel more comfortable around people. And I'm saying let's deviate off the topic a little bit also. We can say something like using mouthwash for the kind of food
Yeah.
that we eat in our country.
Absolutely.
Just being able to use mouthwash or having a chewing gum with you sometimes, or just using cologne after a hard day that you've had and you're stepping out into another meeting, or changing a t-shirt. Small things go a long way. And body grooming is a big spectrum in terms of my life because I'm a visual, as in I'm
Yeah, your entire work
sold
is on
my
screen.
visual.
Yeah.
So like you said, people do look up to you. So you try and put your best foot forward to set a good example. But to each his own in terms of, everybody puts it down to chest hair. It's not
Right.
just chest
Chest
hair.
hair,
There's a lot of other facets. There's nose hair at the end of the day. There's just
Ear,
yeah, there's ear hair, there's so many things that shouldn't be taboo in talking about, but men don't bring it up and women don't encourage the conversations. Even in relationships, these are kind of things that don't get spoken of as often as they should. So a product like this
Until the boyfriend secretly steals the girlfriend's epilator, goes to the side,
Yeah.
and then she catches him.
yeah, or she catches him in the shower in a genuinely compromising position.
Oh, it's for a friend.
Yeah, it's my friend wants
I
to
was checking if you need a new blade.
play. That's a good save. That's a good save. Have you done that? Is this coming from personal experience? All right.
I'll give you a very funny example. All you guys watching, whoever's watching, and I was telling you guys about this. Body grooming or hair, just taking care of yourself, aesthetically looking better. A lot of people don't know. I had a unibrow when I was younger. I had glasses, and I had a huge unibrow.
Me too.
So like this was just one
Massive
mustache above my mustache. So I had a huge long line, and I was very concerned about it because I didn't know what to do. And I went to a dear friend of mine, who I'm sure all of you guys watching love, Katrina Kev, and she decided to help me out best way she thought possible, and she said, okay, I'll tweeze. I'll pluck.
That's painful.
Yeah.
That's That's very
and
painful.
I was naive and I was young and gullible. And I was like, listen, she's a beautiful woman. She knows what she's doing. You know? If I can take a chance, I have to take it with somebody like her knowing what she's doing. And I did it. And she tried her best. And when we got done, like kisi ko muh dikhane layak nahi raha.
Literally.
Because they were so perfect that I could have given Katrina a run for her money with my eyebrows.
Well, that's a funny story. I remember the first time I got this, because this unibrow I had, right? I got threading done. I've never cried as much in my life. Like, I think our threshold for pain is very less.
I think in all these moments you respect women so much.
A lot more, yes. I mean, not just that, you all do other stuff also. Waxing, yes. Have you ever waxed? Have you ever waxed?
I tried a patch once.
And
Did
you cry really like loudly?
I went to a corner. Let's just leave it at that.
The words that came out of my mouth after
Yeah. That was
People do laser also.
So laser is also really pain. Have you ever tried doing laser?
No, but I know like women do laser.
Right.
Often than not.
Is that painful?
Do I look like a woman?
Like all your friends.
Your friends?
It's like pitch.
Yeah, it's like needles, right? Like, yeah. Why would you go through that?
Which we as men don't need to do, because it's not like, unless you're an exception to the rule and you have so much hair that you need to really lean the lawn.
Like your client, he could
give him a lawnmower if he has hair over here.
Yeah.
But yeah, we as men need simple solutions which have not been available. So we've been doing all this plucking, this, that.
Yeah, burning ourselves.
Philips has made it easy where the trimming is concerned.
Correct.
And now they've made it even easier. But what do you do?
Legitimate question, because you seem to know a lot about it. How strong is this thing? Because I've gone
What are you
through
planning
at
to do
least...
with it?
No, just...
What, you want to hit people with it?
General, no,
Like
small
what, are you
animals.
stabbing?
No, if it's... Because I've gone through at least 3 or 4 trials.
Where is the product? Let me show them the product also while we're here. If we can get a product, it'll be really nice. So you ask me a question.
And if I'm exceptionally hairy, and I've killed a few trimmers in my lifetime.
Because of the battery or just generally out of overusage?
It broke. Like the trimmer broke. It stops.
Well, this one has 2 hours of battery life. It's usable within the shower. It's
waterproof. That's very important though.
It's a 360-degree head that it has. It's got a comb on it. So it's got all those facets that kind of make it specific to body. And even when you use it, it's going to be at certain areas that you're targeting.
Yeah, correct.
So you when you
certain area is this.
I'll tell you what. What happens is
the scope of things.
I'll tell you, we have this strange habit. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'm just like, we want to do everything at the same time. The idea is you channel your energy towards certain areas at one go. You know, you don't just take it.
Focus on the heavily
kind of stuck without any battery, and you've got a pichik.
Oh, you have one.
Yes, come.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Run us through this. What's going on here?
So it also comes.
I like the color. The same thing happened. Fancy.
So while you're showering, you can also do this, and then you get this.
Sound effect.
आज मेरे पास बंगला है, bank balance है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है?
This is like a very this is Phil's version of that, you know, like what is that cowboy movies where they who pulls it out first? 2 hairy guys just one guy's with a razor, the other guy's with a... Can I see that? Can I see that? Mitch, do you want to use it?
Yeah, give me like 10 minutes. I'll be right back. What do you want to use it?
Keep it. Okay. So, Arjun, I want to actually go into another thing. We were having a lot of fun on Twitter over the last few days, you know, talking about Mr. Painful, making fun of people with hair. We want to do a series of those jokes now. Yeah? You want to do a series of jokes? Look, he's so happy with his gift. I gift it to you.
Solve a lot of problems for me.
Free में तोहफा मिला तो इसको लग रहा है.
He got engaged recently because someone had to shave his back. So then this is good for you.
To get your back shaved.
Yeah.
Shave my back, I shave your back. What?
Oh, so philosophy has changed. No scratching.
No scratching, no scratching.
So you know, okay, how about this? You tell us. Oh yeah, jokes.
Okay.
So jokes. You know a person.
Hold on to it, but
He's the brand ambassador. Yeah, not you.
Okay, the stock just went down.
yeah. Now
Nobody's buying it. Yeah, it's us. Come back up. It's come back up.
I should use this as a mic.
It might just work. New Philips pro screen. Also a microphone, yeah, and a weapon. No, so you tell us. You know you're too hairy when. Like you know you're too hairy
when Harry meets Sally.
This is going to be fun. Chatbridge, you know you're too hairy when.
You know you're too hairy when your armpit looks like you have a dog in a headlock.
But that's you just actually flexing your
Flexing.
Just a poop.
Wait, I got one. You know you're too hairy when Bigfoot takes your picture.
अगर आप लोग नहीं जानते Bigfoot क्या है तो
Yeti. Abominable snowman. Arjun, come on, we're waiting for one joke.
You should use Google search along with Google Hangout. Actually, Philips से अब ये Google की तरफ जा चुका है. नमस्कार.
No, listen. Can we go into the comments and see other questions that people have been asking?
I'm not good at making jokes. I'm just good at
See this.
part of good jokes.
But yeah, you made pretty fun jokes, man. Everybody.
Yeah.
वो जो था ना, it's like Voldemort. You can't say it.
The one whose name shall not be taken. On my phone.
Oh, so
I'm being told that there
You know
are.
you're really hairy when your stomach has sideburns.
I'm going to try and we're going to try and answer some of these questions that I've been getting on Twitter. Let's see what kind of.
If you guys have any questions, just tweet them to Arjun right now, and he'll answer.
Well, there's a lot of positive stuff coming through. It's become easier. Shaving has become easier for guys. Now, no need for scissors to trim your body hair. That's very true, Muskan. Yeah, scissors are dangerous.
Yeah, don't use scissors.
Yeah, now you've got a one-stop shop for everything. I'm trying to see where are the questions. Oh, I photobombed some people while they were taking a photo. How nice. Oh, no, that's
with
that's the entire management of Philips that I photobombed with a trimmer. I'm loving my own timeline right now. Where are the questions?
Hey, so this Mr. Lavesh has made a joke about Mr. Painful. Mr. Painful has too much hair when he uses hair gel as moisturizer. Ouch. What? Mr. Painful has too much hair when the shower drain clogs. That's him. That's you.
Come on.
I'm trying to find questions, but they're just giving me. They're just very good compliments and stuff like that on Twitter right now.
See, when you use the new Philips.
Any concerns? Tweet your concerns or questions. Scary stories. Likes, dislikes.
Wow, I'm ready to answer questions, and for a change, people have been awestruck by the product and not asked me questions.
Yeah.
Yay! Like
that's when you know your product is good, when people.
Okay to talk about it. It's fun.
इस product में दम है, अर्जुन के लिए सवाल बहुत कम
है. Come on, guys. Oh, sorry. I'll in the meantime, I'll tell you guys a story. I don't know if ever this has happened to you, right? So a friend of mine is also an actor, and for one of the shots, an ad that he was doing, he had to go shave. So he showed up on set.
Shaved.
No, full chest. Oh. This was a shot this much. So he shaved his chest, underarms, whatever, showed up. Director was not happy because he's like, I can still see hair. So they shaved more, put some cream, and it got completely like messed up, right? And after all of that, he shot. They didn't put the shot in the ad. He went through all of it, and it didn't make it to the ad.
But I'm sure it must have made him feel better about his own body, the fact that he has no hair now.
No, but he didn't. He couldn't use the Philips trimmer. He was using some razor, some cream, and he doesn't act anymore.
He quit.
He quit.
I can't do this anymore.
He's
now we can go bare body for swimming just like other celebrity actors. Yes.
No, but Arjun, let me ask you this one thing. Like even my mom, right? If you ask my mom, she will say that for her idea of hot actors used to be like Jackie Shroff, Vinod Khanna, you know, like mard aadmi with chest hair coming out. Do you see a massive shift that has happened in Bollywood also, right? From say the 70s or 80s or in fact even the last part of the 90s,
Sure.
like Akshay Kumar.
In terms of chest hair.
Yeah,
Or
just
in terms of
hair,
body grooming.
just body grooming and hair both. Like,
Yeah, it just shows the tendency of the evolution of the pulse and the audience, in the sense our audience has evolved to seeing more
Characters.
metrosexual
yes, that's the word.
characters, like he said.
Hmm.
So automatically, a lot of these characters do.
Wait, you guys were metrosexual in Gunde?
We were just sexual. We were very
Sorry,
sexual.
sorry. That they all were. That they all were. Raised up
वो
the ante.
metro में हो, train में
Train
हो,
में हो,
plane
कहीं भी
में
हो.
हो, we were sexual. मेरी पिक्चर पे जोक करेगा.
Sorry, एक allowed.
Okay, so
Many
speaking,
allowed.
speaking of swimming, the first time that I
The first time that you went swimming.
did some manscaping.
Manscaping. That's a good word.
What you call
Yeah,
it.
you do.
Manscaping.
Was when I was in school and I had to try out for the swimming team. And if anybody that swims out there, you kind of have to be like a dolphin, just smooth, like through the water. And I had never ever shaved before, and after I got this clean, it looked like I was wearing a T-shirt because of the tan line. Because I'm actually fair underneath all this.
Firstly, I'm not able to get over the fact that you said you have to be like a dolphin.
Dolphin, yeah.
You jump.
There's
Dolphins swim really fast. When's the last time you saw a hairy dolphin?
I agree. When was the last time you saw
no, all the dolphins,
When was the last time you saw a hairy fish?
all the dolphins are using the new Philips groomer also, so don't worry, you will not see any hairy dolphins either. No, and you went faster because you swam without hair.
No, I can't swim worth a damn.
So,
But I'm
guys,
trying out.
body grooming won't help your swimming. Just saying.
You don't become a dolphin.
Yeah.
Shaved
अपने
off-
छाती के पास निकालो आप dolphin की तरह दिखोगे. No, that
It
is
took
not.
a few seconds off my 100-meter time. It's a few
Yes.
seconds.
He completed it in 4 hours 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Bridge. And he
But
drowned.
coming back to the metrosexual bit, I think most men secretly do want to be well groomed. They just don't have a solution.
Yes, I agree. Because a lot of my other
I
friends
think
are also
even
the same.
In the 70s, 80s, 90s, it must have been that they must have wanted some options available to them.
Right.
And in India, we didn't have those options. Imagine it's 2015 and we have a first option that's come to us in body grooming.
It's weird though, right? Like I mean, like for so many years, nobody did anything about it, and like finally there is a change that you can see.
I think all those actors and all the people that we've met who kind of got used to having the hair is not by choice, but because of lack of choice.
And Jackie Shroff is and छोड़ रहने दे बड़ा छोड़ बड़ो मैं ऐसे भाग के जाता है
हाँ, बिड़ो ऐसे अच्छा लगता है. छाती का बाल छुपा के रखते, शर्ट खोल दे.
Do you have any other questions? No scary
I
stories?
mean, like, you hold this.
Okay, I think we'll just make Bridge use this live on the Hangout.
I think we have about 3 minutes left on the Hangout right now. If you guys want me to answer some questions, if you want us to discuss something,
Yeah, just please tweet to Arjun, comment on the thing, and let us know your stories, your experiences, what you guys think about male grooming, what do you guys think about hair, what do you guys think about getting rid of hair.
to me, can I ask you something? But then she's not asking me.
Okay, how about we do this? How about you go through your timeline and pick out the 10 funniest, randomest or whatever, like 10 interesting tweets.
I'm trying to, but they're all like, okay, what's the most hairiest situation you've been in? Palak Narang. What's the most hairiest situation? Like, a barber shop would be the hairiest situation.
It would be.
Or a steam and sauna where there are.
That is,
That's
somebody needs to introduce those uncles to this. It's not, uncle, I like you, I respect you all, but please,
Make a huge
please.
one, have them all walk through it, one by one, just assembly line style. All over.
So, one sec. Where am I?
Do you have any like horror stories? Like just something really bizarre.
Let's go back to
Let's
our
ask
friends who are with us.
Since you guys have-
Sojai, we're back to you.
Okay, did you figure out the friend of yours that had that story yet?
No, man, I couldn't get it. I was enjoying all the discussions that were happening. You know? It was fun. So yeah, like I said, that was the story, and I
So,
had.
Joy, do you have when you hang with your friends or with your girlfriend or with your female friends or whatever, are you still averse to talking about stuff like this, or are they still averse to it, or you find it that it's the taboo has kind of gone out of the window now in comparison?
No, Arjun, it hasn't gone out at all. I mean, it's still very persistently staying with everybody. and that's something which is kind of very awkward, because they feel very awkward to talk about these things. No, that's the whole point which I would like to make. And
I've never understood. Like even with your guy friends, you find it awkward. I've never found it awkward with my guy friends, if I have to say.
Guy friends, I mean, they're fine, I mean, as in they also don't indulge in talking about these a lot of times, but sometimes okay, it's like that. It's not like.
So
okay,
are you a hairy guy? Are you a hairy guy?
I'm not gonna.
Anybody's hairier than you.
Yeah, you're not commenting.
On a scale from Arjun to Bridge, how hairy are you?
Middle.
He's put his shirt up till here.
He's like, let me adjust my cleavage. It's a family show.
Ladies,
Yeah,
like
it's
if
a family
it's
show.
bothering you with your guy friends, how do you address it? Like, is it weird for you guys? Like, if it's that big of a problem?
It's not weird for me, but I mean, people find it.
सुजॉय खामोश हो जा अब हम लड़कियों से चर्चा करेंगे सुजॉय. The girls are feeling very left out because you're saying it's so awkward for men.
Not at all.
Tell us, ladies.
Yeah.
Like, if a group of guys were just, like, you're hanging out with your guy friends and they just start talking about it, would that make
We
you
generally
weird and
do
uncomfortable?
We generally do talk, and it's fun talk. I'm like.
It's fun talk. और तेरे बाल कैसे? First class. और तू tip top.
टाइम से यार मिला नहीं तेरा. अभी बाली है अभी तक.
No, not that often, but then yeah, it's been quite an open talk, and I don't think so. Like today's men are.
So I'm saying if today
bad
this
about talking
conversation
about
would happen with your friends and you around, you wouldn't get awkward about it, like
Not
like a
at
lot of
all.
boys feel women would be awkward, so we shouldn't bring up certain things.
Not at all.
But you feel girls will react positively if a guy
Yeah,
bring it up out of genuine
They would
concern. I'm
love
not
it
saying to
rather.
joke around or to be cool.
No, but okay, how about you tell us this? How about you tell us this? Okay, if your boyfriend or your close
What
friend,
did she
right, has this problem, how do you break it to them? Like what ways have you used to break it to the guy, your friend, boyfriend, brother, whoever who has this hair problem and needs instant shaving?
Let's go to
Grooming,
spa
sorry.
together, dude.
No, advice, not a pickup.
It's a date. So yeah, you can definitely.
But that'll get him to shave.
Sure.
Date
Yeah.
always like it's there's a survey done that most men engage in grooming on the night of 13th Feb.
Because of Valentine's.
Oh,
Yeah, right, Bridge?
I do it February 14th.
Like just 5 minutes before.
Yeah. I get a 5 o'clock.
I just got it. That was a good joke.
What do you say?
He said you do it on Feb 14 because that's the day you're free.
Yeah. I'm engaged. Of course I'm free. I got nothing to do.
No,
That's
before.
right.
I'm done.
You're disengaged basically from all other activities.
No, Vani, how do you let a guy know that he desperately needs to get into some sort of grooming?
And does it
See,
make you
if it's
uncomfortable to talk about it?
my guy, first thing I'm gonna do is possibly break up with him. If not,
मतलब छोड़ ही दो.
It's the black and
One day
white.
she wakes up, तुम्हारे बाल बहुत ज्यादा है. Bye.
चलो bye.
कि मैं जरा 15-20 साल बाद आती हूँ. Bye.
यार इंडिया में रेशियो
No, so-
लड़कियों का 1000:940 है. कायदे से हर एक लड़की को
You got into gender equality, you know.
We're just
As per the scientific research done by the Indian government, the ratio of men to women. Breaking up with the man.
Bye.
What if you really like him? Would you tell him to, like, hey, fix this?
Yeah, he's the love of your life.
See,
Then how would you tell him?
If it was your husband, Vani, let me make it
So,
more interesting.
He's a very nice guy,
अगर वो
takes
आपका-
care of you.
अगर वो आपका fancy होता, चलो husband भी नहीं, if it's your fancy, not your fiance, but fancy. आपका fancy है,
Fancy.
और अगले महीने आपकी fancy और आपकी शादी और आप dates पे जाते हो, dates पे और आप notice करते हो कि उसके जो manly hairs है, वो थोड़े थोड़े interferes कर रहे हैं, ऐसे
तो आप क्या
hi-hi बोल
बोल
रहे हैं बीच में और थोड़ा bye bye बोल रहे हैं और आप outdoor dates पे हो तो हवा आ रही है तो आपके बाल उड़ रहे हैं और उसके भी बाल उड़ रहे हैं ऐसे, फिर आप कैसे approach करोगे topics को, बताइए जरा हमें.
बहुत ही मुश्किल और कठिन हो जाएगा. आंखों में आंखें डाल के बात
Fancies हैं आपकी fancies.
ये तो आप कहते
डालनी
क्या है?
पड़ेगी.
See,
What if your hair and his hair are hitting each other in between?
Like Velcro. Like, does that
Very
make
true.
you-
Right joke.
he was making a nice romantic thing and you made it Velcro.
Disengaged कहीं का.
I'm trying to get to the root
हाँ
of
तो आप
the
बताइए ना fancy को आप how will you deal with fancy?
see, when I'm serving his dinner, what I'll try is I'll try to put some.
अच्छा you been
hair-
serving his dinner.
Harry, listen though.
She's
I'll
very
put
hardcore,
some-
huh? She's like, put her hair in this food.
I'll just put some
Hindustani
hair on his
nari.
face and I'll be like कि dude, I just found your chhati ka bal in the kitchen, so I thought to serve you so that you can also eat while I'm also eating it. So
You are going to give your husband to be chhati ka bal.
his own chhati ka bal.
Are you going to cook it or put
I
masala? What sort of masala do you
never
put
want
with? थोड़ा तड़का देंगे आप.
I hate
No, but so you'll go to that extreme, which means you totally hate it, right?
You're like a
Yeah,
serious.
right. I mean, why? Why it has to
You're
go
like,
like
मैं
that?
इसको ऐसे नहीं समझाऊंगी, मैं इसको
ऐसे
ऐसे समझाऊंगी.
No, but that'll make him learn that. I don't think he'll ever have.
बेचारा मर्द है, कभी-कभी
Tough love, it's tough love.
कभी-कभी सोचता होगा कि फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The simple solution to that, Vani, would be उसे सच बता दो.
बता दो. उसको एक
उसे सच बता
गिफ्ट दे
दो
दो.
और उसे ये ट्रिमर दो और कहो मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ लेकिन तुम्हारे बॉडी के बाल से थोड़ा कम
प्यार करती हूँ तो निकाल
मुझे
दो.
तुम्हारी बॉडी ज्यादा चाहिए तुम्हारे बॉडी के बाल कम चाहिए.
Wow, dude. Write it down, Vani, as we speak. Write it down. It's very important.
और बॉडी के बाल कम चाहिए. सेम लाइन अगर मैंने कभी भी यूज की ना, मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगी, वो
मैं
छोड़.
तुम्हें तन मन और धन से चाहती हूँ.
चीज का शील है वो छोड़ दो.
तक ठीक है.
तुम उसके खाने में बाल डाल रही हो, ठीक है? I don't think you're allowed to say anything.
डाल भी रही हूँ.
The response was like on both sides. One.
She said, "Chalo, let's go party. Spa chal." She said, "I want to break up with you," and she left. So one was like, "Yay!" And one
Easy
was like,
sir.
"Oh."
चल बाल अपने खा.
Yeah.
And Sujoy doesn't know what to do. He's just like,
Scared in the middle.
He's in the bathroom, guys. You can't see him, but he's in the bathroom right now, shaving as we speak.
All the
He's
hair.
taking everything out. He doesn't want to eat hair. He's like, बस हो गया.
He's gonna check his dinner tonight. Like,
He's like, the next time a chick goes,
I think all the Mr. Painfuls out there, guys, please watch out for your food because
Yeah.
Vani is going for a trip across India, feeding people who don't groom themselves,
आज
their
खाने
own
में
hair.
सरसों का साग नहीं, छाती का.
So that
Okay,
happened.
that's good though. Thank you, Vani, for that really intense solution.
Usually, I am feeling a bit.
I don't think I'll be able to eat lunch
Like
today.
my
I
liver
just, I don't,
these are hurting. I'm feeling pain
Purpose solved.
in the sensitive areas.
I think my hernia is hurting. I don't know what.
Wow.
I'm gonna double check all of my food from now on. That's scary.
I don't know.
I think you should just double check the food.
Yeah.
anyway.
In any case, even if,
ऐसे आपकी घर की चाबी अब ऐसे क्यों लगे?
I don't think so. I don't believe it.
this is new age bar.
I have a lot of problems.
His password of his phone is actually that key.
We're here to talk about helping others.
In Bridge का phone actually ये चाबी से खुलता है. He's got a different password. ये key lock है.
I've locked myself out of my house too many times.
With your buy inside doing God knows what in your house.
Finding piles and piles of hair.
और shedding. जब दिल्ली में लोड शेडिंग होती है तो ब्रिज के घर पे एक्चुअली बाल गिरते हैं.
Load shedding in bridges houses, hair fall.
On that very bad.
Very bad.
I think we've come to the end of this कार्यक्रम.
कार्यक्रम की समाप्त हो चुकी है.
Sorry for the technical difficulty.
Yeah, sorry for the technical difficulty, but at least we hope that with all the fun games that we've had, that you guys have, it's become a topic that people can talk about more openly. You know, they don't feel awkward or scared about it. And all you Mr. Painfuls out there, go buy this. Unpain all the pain.
It's okay to talk about it. Just keep an eye on your food. If you
Yeah.
have someone like Vani in your life, or head to the spa, trim yourself. It's fine. It's okay to talk about it. Don't be
But
ashamed.
go buy this. Arjun, any last words? Anything you want to say to all the boys out there?
Yo.
Yo.
Avid.
Bas. Yo. Okay, thank you so much for joining us, guys.
Before going, actually,
One second.
I'm just trying to see if they've actually managed to send me questions and we have time to answer them. But more than that, guys, you guys don't need to be so stressed or concerned and be Mr. Painful for at least the body grooming reasons now. One aspect of our lives is now sorted thanks to Philips. We are just here to kind of joke around and fool around and bring to your attention. There's only so much a man can do to be aesthetically better put together, and it's not only the clothes you wear, but it's also your body. So I hope you guys go and pick up this product, and I hope all the ladies who the two ladies we spoke to today seem quite open to having a conversation about this. So go out there, talk to your men, talk to your friends, spread the word, and make sure that you continue load shedding for the right reasons.
That's a new word. Load shedding. All right, awesome. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. That was Arjun Kapoor. My name is Varun Thakur. This is Brij Bhakta. We've been SNG Comedy. Thank you so much and happy
to
dreaming.
all those people who could not ask the questions and we had our technical difficulties and all those issues, we promise we will make it up. I'm saying.
Make it up.
Make
काम तरीके से. We'll make it up.
Make it up next time in some capacity or the other.
And before you go, for all the ladies, एक बार. Wasn't that amazing? And before you go, for all, actually, you know what? Let's cut.
For everybody who wants to disconnect, you can do it now.
This could be you.
Actually, showed this.
That definitely has made people can't.
Yeah, it's अरे बंद करो जल्दी.
Oh, now
Let's go buy it. Let's go buy it right now.
Are we still there?
Yeah, it's still on.
We're still on. I'm talking. Hey guys, this is new. Okay. All right, guys. Bye. See.